Hello, and welcome to Chuck's Metal Models. Earlier, I showed you me making a chassis from a Gilbert Erector set. So I took that chassis and I now turn it into a truck. There's the trailer, there's a cab with roof, with windows, with a hood. The seat was part of the chassis. It still has the steering mechanism. Get my hand in here so I can steer. So that's from the chassis. So there's a front view. This is a side view. It's a basic model. I'm just getting started building from the AC Erector set again from when I was a child. So I'll show a speed build after this of me turning that chassis into this truck. So please like and subscribe, and thank you very much from Chuck's Metal Models. Until we build again.